Hi, I'm Chris Williams, and I work here at Buck in the CNC department. And I'm pretty excited to see the 450th hose cart come through here. 6 years ago, when I started on my first day, I was welding on one of the chassis on the hose cart. And so, in those 6 years since then, I've seen about 280 of these hose carts come through here.
One of my favorite things to make is the bushing that the dome of the 20 rides on. The reason why that's my favorite is because we have so many different ways of making it, in between on manual machines, a CNC lathe, or even a CNC mill.
We're building the 450th TTR 20, and it's just exciting to be part of a team that's built something that's tested the time, that's been around for so long.
Hi, my name is Cody. I'm a welder here at Buck, and right now we're building the 450th TTR 20. I love these things. They're so fun to build. I like how they're sleek, they're easy to build, they just go together nice. They're simple, but it's something that's actually fun to build, and I'm proud to be building the 450th one.
Talking about the 450th TTR 20 that's coming through. Pretty exciting milestone, considering that this is the 45th year for Buck. And when I started on number 2. So it's gone through lots of different changes since then, from being just a straight tong to an A-frame tong to now more of a bolt-together chassis with a bolt-together reel top and a larger dome pipe to accommodate more hose. Lots of improvements have happened through the years. So just having this bigger milestone, hitting 450th in the 45th year, is just a little less special.